I decided after 20 years, let's try running, because I've always found running a very short distance really awkward, particularly on the flat. But when I was out hiking, my downhill hiking was getting faster and faster and faster, and one day I thought, I'm virtually running here, so what would actually happen if I did run? Well, in this video you're going to find out exactly what did happen afterwards.
If you're new to the channel, I shattered my ankle over 20 years ago and I've had an ankle fusion ever since.
So what happened? Well, after the first downhill run that I did, which was a trail run, I was buzzing from it, to be honest. I thought, that's amazing. It felt really good, even though I wasn't going very fast. I didn't go very far. Like, it was literally half a mile downhill, albeit it was about 200 or 300 foot descent. It wasn't far. It's not even a 5-minute run. But yeah, I was buzzing from that. And I'd messaged my mate and said, yeah, I'm going to enter a 5k, you know, I'm a runner now. And then I downloaded an app called Runner. I thought, yeah, I'm just going to do some structured running training. And I ended up doing 3 runs in a week. And by the end of the third run, my left knee, which was just agony. Now, I've had issues with that knee on and off over the years. Any kind of injury that knocks your body out of alignment can have an impact on your knee and your hip, which is pretty much what it's done with me. In total that week, I think I ran about 8 or 9k. Yeah, and it just completely annihilated me. So at this point, I said to my missus, I think my running career is over before it started. She kind of said, I told you so. Yeah, and that was that. And I thought, oh yeah, I'm not going to do that. I was a bit gutted, to be honest. I was a bit deflated. Yes, after all this time being limited to mountain biking and walking, I was buzzing off the fact that I could do running. But I think I still can do it. I just need to be, well, just need to not be an idiot about it, you know. I went from like literally couch to 5k in a week. Most people do that over, I don't know, course of 8, 10, 12 weeks maybe, I don't know, but I've never done it. But yeah, I went couch to 5k in a week and I paid the price for it. So I think I need to have a look into how I can do it in a more gentle, structured way. So the plan is, next week I'm going to come back to this trail, which I think if you go around all of the outside is about 1k. So I'm just going to come and do this, give it another go, not get too carried away with it all, and yeah, see how it goes. One thing I would say, when I was running, I was quite pleased with how my foot felt running on the trail. I did actually try running on the road down there as well, and at the time that felt alright, but I think in hindsight that could have been what completely finished my knee off, because that's quite heavy impact, which is why I chose trail running in the first place. But again, I thought, oh yeah, you know, I've got Hoka speedgoat 7s, I can do anything. You know, I'm literally Roger Bannister now. Oh, it's doing me in. Yeah, I'm going to give this another go next week. I think the dog's probably going to come. Are you going to come next week, buddy? Yeah, I don't think you'll have it any other way. So the knee pain did not improve for about a month. It's now been 6 weeks and my knee feels completely fine. Yeah, if I have a negative impact on my knee again, then I will have to hang up my running shoes. But until my body's like literally saying don't do this ever again, then I'll probably just keep trying. It's just what I'm like.
So what do you think it was that destroyed my knee? Was it literally just running downhill, or was it just trying to go from 0 to hero in a week? Let me know in the comments.